Assalamualaikum. My name is Islam and I am recording my DevOps training assignment assigned to me. And in the assignment, we have to clone the repository from this directory. So we are going to create a folder like calculator, and in this we are going to open our git bash here. So we are going to clone, so we are going to just copy this command and just pasting it. So we have successfully cloned the repository, so we can close it now, and we have to open it with VS Code. So in source folder we can see that all our file component logics are appearing here. So we just have to install the recommended node module. So just we have to open the terminal and we have to run npm install. So it will download all the node modules and require dependencies to run the program. Meanwhile it is downloading, so we are going to set up our host file. So just copying it from here and bringing it on my desktop. So here is the host file. So we just have to open it with Notepad and we have to add our local address to the, like we see in the assignment. So we have to add this local address to this. So we are just going to assign that here, like 127.0.0.1 and calculator.zenulislam.com, and we are going to save it, calculator.zenulislam.com. So we are going to just close it, and again we have to copy it from here and paste it here, replace with the existing file, and just we are done. So just for confirmation we have to just check once so that it is set up successfully or not. So we are mapping basically this address to this URL. So now from here we are done. So till that, now we can check that if these all modules are completely downloaded or not. So just wait and let's see. It's taking time. So now the packages are installed, and if we run npm start, then we are going to have some error. And but I found the script to run that program. So we can see that here an error pops up and it is not loading anything. We can see that there is an error. So if we go here, then it is a digital environment routine initialize error. So there is some specific error. I googled it and found a solution to run this error and found a script like this. So I am just running this command into my VS Code, and now we can see that our application will run. Here is some error is popping up like react.js -dev routine. So if you google it, then actually I have found it. So actually I had not installed the latest React and DOM, so that's why this error was popping up. So if we again compile it, and so we can see that our app is live, so it will open on our browser, and now we can see that our app is loading. So after the compiling and after server start, so it is compiled successfully, and we can see here that loaded. So 8 + 5 = 9. So our app is live now. So if we go in the assignment and go into the next step, so engineering, so we have just have to go and download engineering for my Windows. So nginx. So if we go here, nginx download for Windows. So here we can see that how can we download nginx. So click on download, and here you will get the stable version. So I had already downloaded the stable version in my folder. So if we go into docs folder, so we can see that here is the nginx. So I had extracted it and just going to run the nginx, because yet it is not running. So I'm just going to run the nginx on machine. So nginx is running on the background. If you go and check on the task menu, so we can see here that nginx is running. So we just have to go to the, like in logs, here comes the log file that either there is an error or anything there pops up. So that's here, and we have just go to nginx config file. So just we have to go to config file, and nginx config we have to just open it in notepad. So we are just going to open the nginx in notepad, and here in our localhost, so we had mapped 127 to calculator.zenislam.com. so here we are also changing it. So calculator dot zenislam.com, and down here we have to pass the proxy dash path. So if we go into the location, so here is the location, and we are just commenting this out. And here we have to pass proxy dash pass. So it is the address where our app is live. So if we go here and we have just, so it is localhost. So we are we know that localhost is mapped to 127 dot. So we are just going to copy this, and here we are going to paste it, column and the address where it is running. So 3000 port number 3000. So that's it. Now we have just to save the file, close it. So if we go and check the file again, so it must reflect the changes we had made. So now that's it, our config file. So we have just have to stop and go to task manager and stop the Nginx and run it again. Nginx is running here. I will stop it and Nginx is stopped. So we are going to run the Nginx again, and our Nginx is again running, and again we are going to start our project. Now we can see that it is running. So if we go into a private window and we type here calculator .zanoslam.com, so our app is open on this URL, and we can see that our app is live and it is working fine. So that's it from my side. I hope there isn't any question or doubt left. So I'm just stopping the recording. Thank you very much.